Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you a tutorial, if you will, on how I put extensions in my short-ish medium hair. I'm using the Cashmere Seamless in Brunette Bombshell, and I love these. Like how flat this is, but it's still so thick and doesn't take away. The hair quality is amazing. These are 16 inches and they just blend so perfectly when I put them in. The reason I really like the seamless is because with thinner hair, it tends to show, like the clips show, I guess, easier. So with this little seamless band, they literally lay so flat and it makes them look like your real hair, but better. I'm obsessed with this. It's 100% Remy European hair. There's 7 clips with different widths on them, so that way you can get in there and, you know, layer them accordingly. So yeah, let's get started. So I always start by combing my hair, which I've already done. I'll continue to do using my Cashmere brush. I love this hairbrush. If you don't have it, you need it. It's gonna be your best friend. But I just like to, you know, smooth it out, get out any tangles. I have naturally curly hair, but I did straighten it 2 days ago. And I'm going to put my extensions in. So I like to start at the nape of my neck or here. So it's just about there. And never use like an elastic. It creates dents in your hair and it's just double the work. So I always start by using one of the side pieces. So these are the smaller ones. And I actually put it at the bottom, at the nape of my neck. I start, let's see, I put that there. And then I actually add another one right on top. It's kind of like my secret that I do. If you have longer hair, you can definitely braid that bottom piece. You can braid it and like bobby pin it flat against your neck. But for me, because these are 16 inch, they work so perfectly in hiding the shorter hair with just putting in the extension. But if you have shorter hair than I do, I would definitely recommend either braiding it or kind of twisting it. Braiding to me is more like secure in hiding those little hairs. And then my last like high section, I kind of use like the arch of my brow and make that line so it's a little bit higher. I don't like to go too high because if I go too high, you tend to be able to see the clips more. Section off, not too high, little piece there. I'm just going to put that. And then for me, I don't tease my extensions beforehand, you may have noticed. I like to tease afterward. I find that when you tease, it doesn't lay as flat, right? And I want it to lay flat against my hair. Back comb there will help with a little more volume. And you can definitely see the difference that the front piece makes. This versus this looks so much more blended and natural. Same thing on this side. Create a section and add that in. Perfect. perfect. It just blends so well. It looks so good. I'm gonna curl it a little bit more. But I love these because with other extension brands, I need more than one pack of hair. But with Cashmere, I only need one, and that's just like crazy to me. I've never only have needed one pack ever to create the look that I like, which is like drama, fullness, thick, and Cashmere does that with one pack, so just amazing. So because I straightened my hair, you can kind of see where my real hair is versus the extension. I always like to go back in with the curling iron before I curl the rest of my hair and just do like a light kind of wave to match for like a second, and then it'll definitely blend in a lot better and look more, you know, natural, of course. But for me, I'm going to curl the rest of my hair here and kind of just get a more wavy look. I know it can look intimidating, but it's really, really easy once you get the hang of it, and we all have our tips and tricks. Hopefully you learned something from me here. And when curling, just a little tip before I go, I always like to curl when the extensions are already in my hair. I find that it looks more natural that way, and just more, you know, blendable. So I just curl in different directions. One way towards my face, one curl away, and you can kind of see it just creates like a more beachy, fun look. And I find that when you curl the hair that way, the curls tend to last longer. I had these curls that are in the extensions now from yesterday. I had my engagement shoot, and I went in the water. There was champagne being popped in the photos. They got all over me, and my curls still held the entire time. So these extensions, like I said, are just everything. And you can just see the difference from this side to this side from curling. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a few things from me and enjoyed this tutorial. Again, Cashmere hair is the best hair. So blendable, so thick and luxurious, and I'm just obsessed. Thanks so much for watching.